Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to the spectacular Canandaigua Lake condo at Hotel Canandaigua.
Come enjoy the waterfront vacation lifestyle on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is spectacular high-end open living with that penthouse feel. Featuring a designer white and bright kitchen with soft close cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a wine rack, quartz countertops, and a center island breakfast bar with accent granite countertops. Open to the living area with gorgeous flooring and access to the balcony with views for miles. This premier end unit features a wraparound balcony with scenic views of the lagoon and city, the perfect combination of modern and scenic living.
Wake up with million-dollar views with a spacious primary bedroom with a transom window and sliding glass door to enhance the views, with an adjacent full bathroom and laundry, and a bedroom for family and friends. Perfect for relaxing after a long day on the lake. This unit has a prime covered parking spot and a secure and spacious storage unit on the lower level. Hotel Canandaigua is a great place to live with a multitude of amenities to enjoy the ultimate lake lifestyle condo living. Enjoy culinary delights at the Hotel Canandaigua restaurant. Keep in shape at Hotel Canandaigua Fitness Center, open 24/7.
Come relax by the pool all summer long with a hot tub and beautiful landscaping overlooking the lake.
Relax and enjoy million-dollar views of Canandaigua Lake. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the spectacular condo at Hotel Canandaigua.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!